What's up, everybody? This is Papa G, and I am in the garden today. So we're going to throw a quick video out, giving you an update on what we currently have. Just installed this sunscreen. Try to help out with the hot, scorching afternoons here. That's all there is to it. It's some electrical conduit, two 10-foot sticks. I bought some poles, drove them in the ground about 1.5 feet. Put the conduit over top of the pole about 1.5 feet on each side. I built my arches. I strung this sunshade. That is a 30% sunshade off of Amazon. So, yeah, if it helps things out, it'll be good. Everything seems to be doing well. Got some squash. I pulled some zucchini already. Tomatoes look good. Loaded with peppers. Got cucumbers. Every tomato plant has lots of blooms and some tomatoes. Our potatoes are doing okay, but again, plenty of tomatoes on the vines, plenty of blooms. Bump that beetle off of there. We've got our sunshade. It does create a difference from out here in the heat to underneath this shade. Just installed it this morning, so it should be good. I'm excited to see what happens, because we're getting into those hot summer days. All right, well, that's it for the day. Short and sweet, but we'll keep you posted. If this is the first time seeing a garden video, check out my self-watering bucket garden video, as well as how I built the racking that you see and the actual buckets themselves. As well as most of my channel is classic car sales. Go check them out. Alright, that's all I got for you today. We'll see ya. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Come on, let's go!